Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Catalysts. If you're looking to make big profits without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to uncover some of the best-kept secrets of savvy investors, how they maximize their returns with minimal upfront investment. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned investor looking to stretch your dollar, these strategies are all about working smart, not hard. So, let's get into it. The first secret: leverage. One of the oldest tricks in the book is using other people's money, or OPM, to make your investments. This is something that's been done for centuries, and real estate investors are masters at it. Here's how it works. You secure financing, like a mortgage or a loan, and invest in a property. The idea is to use as little of your own cash as possible, while still reaping the benefits of the investment. By using OPM, you can get into deals that might have been out of reach if you were relying solely on your own funds. Plus, when done right, the income generated by the investment, like rent, can cover your loan payments, leaving you with a profit without tying up all your cash. Next up is a strategy called house hacking. If you've been following the channel, you've heard us mention this before, and for good reason. House hacking is one of the easiest ways to get into real estate with minimal investment and maximum returns. Here's how it works. You buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent from your tenants covers your mortgage, and sometimes you even pocket extra cash each month. It's a win-win. You get to live essentially rent-free, build equity, and start your real estate journey with a very low out-of-pocket investment. This is one of the most effective ways to build wealth in real estate without needing a ton of upfront capital. Now, if you're really looking to keep your initial investment low, wholesaling is another fantastic option. This strategy allows you to make money without ever actually buying a property. Here's how it works. You find properties that are under market value, usually from distressed sellers who need to offload their property quickly. You then secure the property under contract and assign that contract to another buyer, usually a flipper or another investor, for a fee. The best part: you're not coming out of pocket for the purchase. You're simply acting as the middleman. Wholesaling requires hustle and networking, but it's a great way to make quick cash with minimal financial risk. Partnering up, joint ventures. Another key strategy that savvy investors use is forming joint ventures or partnerships. By teaming up with other investors, you can pool your resources, skills, and connections to get into bigger deals without shouldering all the costs yourself. For example, if you don't have a ton of cash but have great deal-finding skills, you can partner with someone who has capital but lacks the time to search for properties. You both win. You bring the deal, they bring the money, and you split the profits. This is a great way to diversify your investments, build relationships, and get a piece of larger deals without investing all your own money. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat strategy. One of the best strategies to maximize profits with minimal investment is the buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat method. Let me break it down. First, you buy a property that needs some work, usually at a discount. Then, you rehab the property, adding value through renovations. Once it's in great shape, you rent it out and start generating cash flow. Here's the best part. After you've improved the property and increased its value, you refinance it. With refinancing, you pull out some of the equity you've built up, often getting back most or all of your initial investment. You can then use that cash to do the same thing again. Buy another property, rehab it, and repeat the process. It's a powerful way to build a real estate portfolio, using the same initial pool of money over and over again. Sometimes, maximizing profit means putting in a bit of sweat equity. This is where you trade your time and skills to increase the value of an investment, rather than relying solely on cash. This could mean doing some of the renovation work yourself, managing the property to save on management fees, or finding creative ways to add value to a property, like adding a bedroom or increasing rent through improvements. By putting in a little extra effort up front, you can significantly boost your return on investment without increasing your financial commitment. A mistake that many new investors make is focusing solely on appreciation, hoping the property will increase in value over time. But savvy investors know that cash flow is king. While appreciation is nice, it's speculative. Cash flow, on the other hand, is money in your pocket every single month. A property that generates steady, positive cash flow ensures that you're making money from day one, even if the market fluctuates. So when looking for investment properties, always prioritize cash flow over appreciation. It's a sure way to maximize profits without needing to wait years for the market to go up. Lastly, creative financing can help you get into deals with minimal upfront investment. Options like seller financing, where the seller acts as the bank and allows you to pay them in installments, or lease options, where you lease a property with the option to buy, can get you into properties with little money down. Savvy investors know that you don't have to follow the traditional financing route every time. Thinking outside the box and getting creative with how you structure deals can open up opportunities that wouldn't otherwise be available. So, there you have it, the secrets of savvy investors who know how to maximize profits with minimal investment. These strategies prove that you don't need a ton of money to get started in real estate. You just need to be smart, resourceful, and willing to put in the work. If you found value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more strategies from Wealth Catalysts. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.